My girlfriend's getting rage baited by IKEA.
I thought it was a Tesla, that's why. I was
You're
like,
a
what the
Tesla.
fuck is he doing? Why is he going so slow?
She really called that a Tesla.
From far away. I need glasses, motherfucker. Fuck you. This past this fucking
Fuck a whoppy. She's a whoppy though. Don't kill me. Wait, why do we have traffic in the world?
That's the same fucking solution.
Oh, your first conclusion or whatever you said.
The way I first said it?
Yeah. Say you're angry. You get out here.
Stranded with no phone.
When you get out here, I go do my thing with the shop, and then I'm calling her, and her phone's going straight to voicemail.
A charger or money or anything. So I stopped at a CVS and charged my phone. That was tragedy.
Who are you to say anything? Keep your falsettos to yourself.
This is a sponsor
of Celsius.
Caught you.
No, you didn't.
Caught you. No, this is the right street. Let's go.
Well, you keep looking up my direction.
Okay, calm down. Straight there.
thought you were just trying to warn me.
No, there's a better way. I'm feeling the living tree. Just kidding. Like, when you come down this way, it's hard to find those.
I kinda.
Ah! Let's die. First.
I don't want to die.
Now it's how we get the Corvette.
Yeah.
Don't put a lien on it.
What's that place?
I know, but like, there's a car coming out. I'm not gonna pull in. Plug his way.
Yeah, we're going for
You didn't even really park.
It's kind of fucking up.
It straight says towing right there.
We're not gonna be here forever.
All
And
right.
if we see
Alright. You still did a horrible job at... Look at... You did a horrible job at parking.
you parked it.
My favorite indigenous people.
Damn, why'd you park all fucked up?
Falsetto.
Oh my god.
wow.
That's beautiful.
She's beautiful.
That's what you wanted.
It really is, though.
You're right, like the gray on the inside goes.
And the blue goes good with it, right?
Oh,
Well, man, Chris, thank you for hooking it up.
Yeah, I like the blue with it.
You think this? Where is he? Cameron.
Can we unlock it?
No. This is the artist who did your car.
Nice to meet you, Cameron.
My name's Cameron. What's
Chris.
your name? Chris?
Yeah.
Oh, your name is Chris? Too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. A lot of Chris's on it.
Chris has run the world, you know.
Yeah.
You said that door 4 or 5 times?
This door I think 3 times, and then that door 2 times. We redo that door. And
paint
this window 2 times.
Damn.
The hood twice. Yeah, normally we don't have to do anything more than once, sometimes twice. But it's the condition of your paint.
Oh, you can really see how dusty my brakes are, though. Oh, it looks so good. The car's hiding. Let's start. Oh, yeah.
Sometimes the car sits over
You said first Nardo Gray?
the Yeah. We had never carried it before.
Oh yeah, we're winning, boys. I just walked out of McDonald's, and this is what we get to look at. Are you guys feeling the Nardo Gray? Let me know what you think in the comments. I love it with the blue accent on the inside.